Now, let's get started with the Geometrix app. To log in to Geometrix, you must have a valid Geometrix account first, or if you don't have an account, you can create your own by clicking the Sign Up Here link on the login page. For students like you, your instructor may provide you pre-made Geometrix account username and password. If so, you won't need to create your own. Once you made sure you have a valid Geometrix account, open Geometrix application from your Start menu or desktop. Type your username and password into the login pop-up and click Sign In to continue. As a first-timer Geometrix user, you should see a prompt that asks you for a redeem code. Once you redeem a code, you will instantly get access to your Geometrix homepage or dashboard. The Geometrix homepage consists of large tiles which are used to navigate the software. First, we have the New Test. Select this tile to begin a new practice test. Next is the Study Guides. You go here if you want to read about the skills you want to learn. These are like pointers if you want to have a quick review before or after continuing your practice tests. Courses. This is where you go if you want to start a course before taking any practice tests. Books. Some coursework publishers offer book codes that are compatible with the Geometrix student portal. Book codes are also redeemed the same way you redeem an access code. Below these 4 tabs is where you can see some preview or shortcuts for your recent activities and study guides. To start a test, select the New Test tile from your Geometrix homepage. Select the category you wish to test in. Next, you will see the list of products. After you select one, you will see the tests available for that product. In our case, we have the Microsoft Office 2019 and the Excel 2019 tests. Hover your cursor over the practice test you wish to take, and this is where you can select training or testing mode. For the training mode, the test has no limit. Step-by-step help text is available for each question, and questions may be retried for a higher score. While for the testing mode, conditions match those of the official exam, including the time limit. Help text will not be displayed and questions may not be retried. Score will not be displayed until the test has been submitted. If this is the first time you are taking a test, it will ask you if you would like to download and install the resources needed to take this test. Just click OK to continue. Otherwise, your test will load automatically and you can start with your practice test. Practice exams are built to follow the format of the official exam. In the Office 2019 practice exams, you will be given several project documents to work on with 4 to 7 tasks each. These tasks are independent of each other and can be completed in any order. Each project document is graded individually, then an overall score is assigned at the end. Now, let us explore the Geometrix practice test user interface. In the upper part of the interface, you will see the MS application that is incorporated with the Geometrix app. This is where you will be applying the tasks you need to accomplish. At the bottom part is the Geometrix dock. This is where you will see the tasks you need to accomplish to finish a project. And this ribbon is where you will see the following command buttons and indicators. This icon is used to increase the font size of the letters of the task you will be reading. This is where you can control the placement of your Geometrix dock. It can be at the bottom or upper area of your window. This shows the time you spent in finishing your practice tests. For training mode, there are no time limit, so the time will just run until you submit your exam. While for the testing mode, you will only be given limited time to finish a whole test. Summary is where you can get access to each project and task if ever you want to go back and finalize your answers. Restart project is used to restart a whole project you are currently working on. It should not affect the other projects in your exam. Save project is selected if you want to continue finishing your practice tests some other time. Once you are done with a certain project, select Grade Project to proceed with the next one. Use this to mark your completed task. And this one is used to mark a task for review. This button only exists in the training mode practice test. It guides the learner to see the step-by-step process on how to accomplish a task properly. If you have previously saved but not submitted a test, you can resume it by selecting the Resume Test tile from the Geometrix homepage. Then, select your desired test from the list and just continue where you left. Submit, then get your score. It is highly recommended for learners to get at least 700 or higher scores whenever you submit a test. This way, the chance of you to get certified is favorable. And that's how we use Geometrix as our practice ground before we go and take our chance to get certified.